heading out to a spring change right now, it sounds like. So I was gonna tell you guys, who's ever thinking about, adding this to their business, a lot of locksmiths and handymen, some other ones that they want to add it to their business. This is an excellent business to add and supplement your income, and you'll probably find out by doing this, you'll start wanting to do this more than whatever else you're doing, because it's a lot quicker money, a lot more money for the time you're there, you're in and out. Anyway, I'll get back on you when I get to the job, and we'll see how it goes. Garage door, right?
Oh yeah, you look so much like, I don't have my glasses on, you look so much like the husband of somebody I just saw. I thought, what are you doing here?
Oh, really?
I left the side door open, so
He's a garage door guy? So this, I guess, I think I've been here before, a long time ago.
I think you have been,
Yeah.
yeah.
I'll remember when I look in here. Yeah, I remember this thing. There was something to do with this.
Okay, last week, I noticed that the door, it was opening
Uh-huh.
up and down, but it wasn't closing all the way down to the bottom, and I didn't really pay too much attention to it.
Uh-huh.
Go up and then come down, and
Yeah, and the springs broke, right?
well, I figured that out because I went on YouTube
Yeah.
to figure out what to do, how to reprogram it and everything.
Yeah.
But then they said first check the springs, so thank God
Yeah.
I did that. Could I have broken it because what?
No. You see, the way this door works is, you see that shaft they're on? The cables, those springs are wound up like 30 times, and they pull on these cables, and they go to the bottom of your door, and they lift the weight of this door. This door is probably 300 pounds. So both of these are wound up like 30 times, and then they lift the weight so the opener can lift it. But right now, with one broken spring, it's too heavy for the opener to lift.
Right. Well, I figured that out, and so then it wouldn't work. So I thought, okay, I'm going to do it by hand. So I did, but I was thinking...
Did it slam closed?
Yes. And
Yeah.
I went flying over here.
Yeah. What were you hanging on to?
I was hanging on to the strap, that.
Uh-oh.
It was over here.
You were hanging onto the rope?
Yeah.
And you're pulling you, and
I was
it held
here.
you up?
I was here on the stool.
Yeah.
And it went wham like that, and I let go.
Oh,
It was
yeah.
okay. If I did that, did I break it again?
No, but it's not good for it because you got windows, and
Right.
you could have broke the windows. I think these are plexiglass, though. They're not
Yeah.
even real glass. The wood doors, they break a lot when the door comes crashing down. But anyway, you're kind of in a scenario. You got two springs up there, so you don't really have a choice. Anyway, normally on this size door, for both is $789 installed for two of them, and if you got one, it's $495. Actually, our springs have a lifetime warranty on them.
What do you think happened here? Do you have any way of knowing?
Yeah, I know why they break, because they're wound up. See the gap? When you wind these, they
Right.
stretch, right?
Right, okay.
And then they set them into that shaft, and they want to unwind, but these set screws right here hold it from unwinding. So they'll pull that shaft, and then see the cables? Cables are around the drums. They go to the bottom of your door. So these are pulling the weight of your door as the door goes up.
Right.
It's pulling it's getting lighter because it's on the track, but it's pulling the door up, and it's balanced that way, so that when you go down with the door, the spring winds up. When you open the door, it unwinds. Eventually, it breaks.
Okay, good.
Yeah,
All right,
it
so
breaks
I
on
can't
its
yell
own.
at
If the
anybody.
only thing you could do is if you left it closed, they last way longer because they're not
not being
opening.
used.
Yeah.
Okay.
So anyway,
So can we do that now?
I'm pretty sure I have these. I just got to measure a few things. Let me get the door open. Did that always do that?
What?
It's crashing into that bolt there.
Yeah, I did the up, down.
Okay,
And then I
yeah.
but it didn't work.
Yeah. No, that's what sets the limit to the floor and to open. So you move the limits on it. So I can reset them. Yeah. It opened way too far. But so I'll just measure everything, and I'll bring my stuff in, and then I'll be here for a little while.
Do you want a cup of tea or something?
Okay, I'm winding the springs here. Change both springs, $789. So you could grab this right now. I put this handle on here, and you can pull down on the handle.
Okay, so I can manually open and close
Yeah.
it. Can you write on here what the approximate cost of the new opener would be?
Okay, that one I got $789. Two springs, super easy. There's the bill. I don't know if you can read that. They're probably going to get an opener too because their opener didn't work. I told her $15.95, and that's for the store-bought ones. Whoever gets in this business makes money, period. It's not a question of if you're going to make money or if you're going to get calls. All you people sitting on the fence, you should just sign up and start running ads. It's not a better feeling than when you're making good money for doing such little work. Of every job, you're getting a huge return on your investment. There's so many people making so much money in this business. You're always making good money. But anyway, www.garagedoortrainingschool.com is where you learn how to do this. Online, you don't have to worry about going and flying somewhere real far. And it's a good thing too, if you forget anything, you can go over the course again because you get a lifetime access to it. Unlike whatever other trades they're teaching out there, once you go to their class and you leave, in a week, you're gonna forget everything you learned. We have a very effective class. The way we're telling you to do it is the only way you ought to do it. If you guys are seriously thinking of getting in the garage door business, you should go to www.garagedoortrainingschool.com, get signed up, quit wasting time. Nothing's gonna change in your life automatically. You're gonna have to make some type of effort, and no matter what you do, and this is a guaranteed income. Anyway, gotta go, gotta take another call. See you later.